Hi everyone, this is Emmanuel from With. This tutorial will look at integrations. So when you tap on the magnifier here, you have an ordinary search screen with your last viewed blocks. Now when you search for something from the search bar, like a person called Matt, there's nothing to show. The reason is because for now we haven't integrated any account. The other way you can see that is when you want to type a new thought. When you type @ it immediately shows a drawer saying link your thoughts to the people you know. So where do we find integrations? Simply by going to your profile, tapping on integrations here, and you can add a new integration, either from a Google account to integrate your contacts, calendar, or emails, as I will show you. Same for the Microsoft account, or from the phone to integrate your contacts directly. So if I go to a Google account, I can select Alison's email and let Google know which accesses I want to give with it. So contacts here, any contacts you have in your contacts will be linked to your With It account. Any calendar item, or any email metadata. So what we're looking at here are only the people that have sent you some emails or people you sent emails to, so that if they are not in your contacts, they are still retrieved as persons you are in contact with. Of course, we are not looking into the body of the email, we're not even accessing it. Once this is done, you press on continue, and automatically With It will be importing your contacts, your calendar, and if you chose so, your email metadata in the background. If you want to remove this permanently, you just click on remove integration here. To confirm, you have to type delete so that you don't do it by mistake. And everything that has been imported from this Google account will be fully and irreversibly deleted. Now that I have created this integration, and sorry, I can see it here. So we have this Gmail integration active. When I go to search and I look for Matt again, now I see Matt Slater, which is one of Alison's contacts, appear. And so when you tap on Matt Slater, you have his empty snapshot, of course, because we haven't added anything. Same thing if you want to create a thought and mention someone. Now I can type @Matt, for example, and I will see Matt Slater, and I can say Matt Slater is a great friend from Singapore, and Matt is now linked to that thought. Searching can also allow you to search for meeting. So if I look for example, a meeting that was a pitch, so I find this meeting, Series A pitch to start with VC. And if I go on it, I see the meeting snapshot, and I can add a thought to the meeting. Great meeting with, for example, Abigail. All right, which is now in my contacts. And I save it. And as usual, if you go to Abigail Underwood, you will see the thought, great meeting with Abigail Underwood. And you see that that thought is linked to the meeting, as we can see by this little chip inside the thought. And if I tap on the little chip, I go back to the meeting. So everything is linked like you would do in your brain. And that's really the interesting thing with It, is to create all those links to form your mind map. I hope you enjoy using It, and see you for the next tutorial.